About this item: premium food grade material made entirely of non-toxic, BPA-free food grade silicone material. This sponge holder is durable and not easily deformed. You could use this sink caddy on your kitchen or bathroom sink to keep the dishwasher safe. This sponge holder is designed to hold all standard Smiley sponges as well as any Smiley limited edition sponges, space saving with compact size. The sponge holder neatly mounts anywhere in your sink, freeing up counter space. This sponge holder saves you from having to worry about the messy and wet sponges on your kitchen or bathroom sink. All your sponges will be in order on your sink, easy to install. Please clean the sink and keep it dry before you suction the sponge holder up. Then, press the sponge holder to the surface of the sink and squeeze out the air to keep it firmly hold. Just put your Smiley sponge on the sponge holder strong suction cup. The sponge holder could suction to any clean, smooth surfaces like mirrors, glass, tiles, stainless steel plates, iron plates, aluminum plates, and plastic plates. It functions best when coated in petroleum jelly on the suction cup, especially for stainless steel sinks. Note: painted wall, rough surface.